Hey friends, if you want a tutorial on MS config or system configuration, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Now, basically, here's the thing. If you master this, you will be able to speed up your system according to your requirements. So one of the startup selections in the general tab is a normal startup in which it will load all the drivers and services. The next one is diagnostic startup in which it will only load the basic drivers and services, but your system will not be as efficient, though it will load up faster. And the last one is selective startup in which it will load everything except for the original boot configuration. It won't use the original boot configuration, and this is considered the best. The next one is boot. So if you check this box here, it will boot the system in the safe mode, but I do not prefer it and I prefer to keep it as it is. Okay, though you can select your options accordingly, like you can select safe mode and then safe mode with networking and all of that, in which the network drivers will be noted but not the rest of the drivers. So this is if you want to boot it in the safe mode. The next one is services, and this is very important. If you do not want programs to launch at startup, just select hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, and you will have to restart the computer. Obviously, click on OK and restart, but that is for later. Then startup. So you can directly choose startup options by clicking on this here and select status twice or till you get the enabled apps on the top, and then you can right click and disable the ones which are not required. And obviously we have tools. So these are the general tools on the system, like user account control, UAC, about event viewers, programs, everything. So we can access them through the Windows search anyway. Like I can just search for UAC and then access user account control as an example. But this is also one way to approach these. Now the two main things are, in the services tab you can disable unnecessary services, and in the general tab you can select selective startup. Finally click on apply, OK, and then you will have to restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.